Hello children, today we are going to see chapter 3 working with functions type C question number 4. In this program, in this question they asked you to write a function to generate three random numbers. We will be giving the range. For example 3 to 50 means within that range it has to print three random numbers. For that we have to write a function. Okay. So for generating the random numbers module, we have to do the import module. Import random module we have to use, that we should import into the program. And before that, in this program the input will be upper limit, lower limit we will be giving. Okay. So output will be within that limit, it has to display the three random numbers. Okay. First let us begin the program. So function we have to define. Function define generate. Generate is the function name. So in this what we are going to give two numbers, that is upper limit, lower limit we are going to give inside this function. Okay. So within that A and B value, what it has to do, what this function has to do, it has to generate a random number. Okay. Random number, random is a module. In that rand int is the function we are going to use. Okay. Rand int A comma B. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to print this value. Okay. Print of int. Print of rand int A comma B. What it will do, this function, what this function will do, this function will randomly give the number between this A and B. It will randomly give the number. Okay. Next what we have to give, we have to get the input from the user. Okay. So my n1 equal to 1 input, int of input of enter the upper limit. Okay. Enter the upper limit. Next what we should do, next one more input we should get for this one is a lower limit. Lower limit. One more input function for getting the upper limit. Okay, this is for upper. Then what we have to do, we got the upper limit, lower limit number. What it has to do, it has to generate the random numbers. So for generating the random numbers, what we should do, we should call that function. So now I am calling the function generate. What are the values I am going to pass here? n1 comma n2. So this, how many random numbers this has to generate? Three random numbers this has to generate. So I should call this function for 3 times. Then only it will generate the three random numbers. Okay. Let us execute now. So it is asking for upper limit. Then it is asking for lower limit. Random is not defined. Yes. Here we didn't import the function. Import the module. Import random. Import module should be there. Okay. Now let us execute 3, then 60. You can see here three random numbers it has generated within the range. That is 10, 47 and 21 are the three random numbers it has generated. Okay. One more time I will repeat. Here we are using the function to generate the three random numbers. Okay. So by means of upper limit and lower limit, we are going to call that function 3 times. Then it will generate the three random numbers. Inside the function itself we have given the print statement. So usually we used to give, while calling we used to give the print statement. Instead of that, inside the function itself we have given the print statement. One time we have given the print statement. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you children. We will meet in the next video.